Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to know your exact location in Google Maps. So, let's dive right in. Open the Google Maps app on your smartphone. A blue dot will also appear on your smartphone's map, representing your approximate location. Make sure your phone's location services are turned on. This is usually found in your phone's settings menu under Location. With location services enabled, the blue dot on your map should update to your exact location using your phone's GPS. Sometimes, the blue dot might not be perfectly accurate. This can happen due to various factors like weak GPS signal indoors. To help improve accuracy, try stepping outside to an open area for a clearer GPS signal. There you go! With these simple steps, you can pinpoint your exact location on Google Maps and navigate with confidence. If you have any questions about finding your location, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.